Hey, hi, hello, dear friends. Welcome to Roshan's English World, your ultimate guide to mastering conversations. Do you struggle to start conversations? Feel nervous while speaking? Want to sound more confident and natural? If yes, then you are in the right place. In today's session, we are diving deep into the art of effective conversation, how to start, how to maintain, and how to end a conversation smoothly. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone looking to improve social skills, this class is for you. So get ready to boost your confidence, improve your speaking skills, and make every conversation impactful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing lessons. Let's get started without any late.
Okay, friends, today's conversation we are going to listen and watch a conversation took place between a mother and daughter in a funny way about breakfast. Okay, this is happened in early morning in an Indian household. Mom is in the kitchen, daughter is still half asleep, dragging herself in. Okay, let us start the conversation. Ma, what's your breakfast? Please say something fancy like pancake or croissants. Croissants? Beta, in this house we have two options roti or paratha. Take it or leave it. Oof, ma, why always roti paratha? Let's make something new and exciting. Fine, let's make something new. Here, take this atta, knead the dough, and roll it out. Shocked, that's just paratha. You tricked me. Exactly. But today, something new is triangle paratha instead of round. Surprise. Face palms, ma. This is why we can never have a Michelin star at home. First, learn to roll a proper round roti, then talk about Michelin stars. Mutters at this rate, I will just have chai and biscuit. Arre wah! You finally understand Indian breakfast. Now go make the chai while I roll the paratas. Defeated, fine, but I am still calling in a fusion branch. Ha ha, call it whatever you want, just don't burn the chai. Dear all, in conversation session, I am not supporting you in our mother tongue because you have already learned, you have already listened, you are already go out along with so many videos near about more than 90. Now we don't need the spoon feeding. We need to try to stand ourselves. We try to understand the language and try to enjoy the original essence of the target language. Okay, friends. So that's why I'm not translating these conversations in our mother tongue. If you need the support in description, I am providing you all the links of our previous videos. Just go through along all those videos and you can get a clear idea. Then after you re-listen these topics, definitely you can get a clear idea about these class.
Okay, dear all, as we wrap up today's session, remember that conversation is more than just words. It's about connection, understanding, and expression. The more you practice, the more confident and natural you will become. Keep engaging in meaningful discussions, listen actively, and don't be afraid to express yourself. Every conversation is a chance to learn something new. If you found today's class helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful lessons. See you in the next session. Until then, take care. Goodbye.